First on race day, flip over, read directions, found on road dead. These are just a few funny acronyms for Ford. But what really makes up the Ford Motor Company? Picture this. The year is 1903, and Henry Ford, a man who once worked for Thomas Edison, has just founded a new company. This isn't just any company, it's the Ford Motor Company, an American multinational vehicle manufacturer destined for prominence. And it all started with the creation of their first vehicle, the quadricycle. From working with Edison to creating the quadricycle, Henry Ford was laying the foundation for what would become a global automotive powerhouse. Ford was no stranger to innovation and audacious decisions. This was most apparent when, in the early 20th century, Ford did something unheard of at the time. They doubled the wages of their workers. This wasn't just a simple act of generosity, but a strategic move that decreased turnover and increased productivity, revolutionizing the industry. Now let's turn back the clock a bit further to the 1930s. While others were still grappling with the concept of gasoline-powered vehicles, Ford was already experimenting with biofuels. Yes, you heard it right, biofuels. Back in the day when it was still a novel concept, Ford was already thinking about renewable energy sources and their potential in the automotive industry. However, not all of Ford's bold ventures were successful. One notable example is Fordlandia, an ambitious project to establish a rubber plantation in Brazil. Despite its ultimate failure, the audacity of the endeavor was a testament to Ford's willingness to take risks and think outside the box. Whether it was doubling wages or experimenting with biofuels, Ford was always at the forefront of innovation. Ford's impact extended far beyond just automobiles. When the world was at war, Ford stepped up to the plate in a way few could have predicted. During the harrowing times of World War I and II, the company became an instrumental force in the war effort. Despite the company's founder, Henry Ford, initially taking a pacifist stance, the company's actions spoke volumes about its commitment to the nation. Ford's factories, known for churning out vehicles, underwent a transformation. They became hubs for the production of war airplanes, providing support from the skies. But Ford's contribution wasn't limited to the air. On the ground, the company was just as vital. During World War II, Ford produced a vast array of military equipment supporting the troops and bolstering the war effort. From the assembly lines in Dearborn, Michigan, Ford was doing more than just making cars. They were producing the tools that would help shape the outcome of a global conflict. It was a testament to the versatility and ingenuity of the Ford Motor Company. Even in times of war, Ford's influence was undeniable, helping to shape the world as we know it today. What is the legacy of Ford? One strong pillar is Ford's triumphant victory at the 24 Hours of Le Mans with the GT40, a testament to its engineering prowess. A familial thread runs through Ford's story too, with the Ford family still at the helm of the company. And then there's the intriguing piece of history, a test tube preserving Thomas Edison's last breath, housed at the Henry Ford Museum. This unusual artifact symbolizes the innovative spirit that Ford embodies. From winning at Le Mans to preserving Edison's last breath, the legacy of Ford is as rich and diverse as its history. From its humble beginnings to its global impact, Ford's story is a testament to innovation, resilience, and the power of a good idea. Who knows what the future holds for this automotive giant? Thanks for watching Facts for Bored People. See you next time.